Hello beautiful people, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Taylor. If you're new here, today is Friday, November 13th, and I just got ready for the first time this whole entire week. I just felt like I really needed to get ready to start my day off right. Sometimes it'd be like that, but other times I'm like, I don't care about makeup, like whatever. But I'm gonna go to some home decor stores, like Home Goods. This is kind of gonna be a shop with me home decor video. I have a feeling in my soul that I'm gonna find the frames for the long hallway that we have right here. I wanna get black frames with a white matte border and then a smaller picture insert, and get like pictures of me and Christian printed out in black and white, just so it gives a little something to the wall and just makes the space feel a little bit more homey and a little bit more like our home. But I'm about to head out, but I wanted to drink a Liquid IV first. This video is not sponsored by Liquid IV, but I am obsessed, guys, with the strawberry flavor. I feel like it tastes like Nerds, like strawberry Nerds, but not like too tart or anything like that, but it just has like that subtle like strawberry Nerds flavor, but like in the best way possible. But I'm about to drink this because I haven't drank a lot of water today. So if you guys want to try the strawberry flavor, I'm pretty sure you can only get it online or in Costco. But if you want to get it online, I have a discount code. It's taylormsison, and you can get 15% off and free shipping. I'm also so sad because my skin has been so good, but my time of the month is coming, like this coming week, and I always get like one pimple, and I'm pretty sure this is the one that's coming. And it's like deep, and it hurts to touch it, and it's just red. It's not like a whitehead or anything, but it's just like, it's just a bump on my face now. But does anyone get that too? Like their time of the month comes and you just like break out in a pimple, just like one that just hurts like heck. Yeah, that is just me right now. But I'm gonna put you guys right here. Why did I just open that? Okay, so this is what I do. I put it in a glass, just any glass. I wanted to use this glass. Got these from Crate & Barrel, and then I will use this frother and then drink it. Christian like wakes up and he drinks coffee right away, but I'm like, Christian, drink some water before you dehydrate yourself with that caffeine. So what he did the other day was took one of these, did this, and then chugged this whole entire thing. But then he drank normal water too. I'm so excited because I found a tree that I want to order, like a Christmas tree that I want to order for the apartment. I'm really excited because it's our first Christmas together, living together, and we'll be able to decorate together. It's just really weird because I've been dating Christian literally since I was 11. No, not 11. How old was I? I was like 12 turning 13, and now I'm 23, and we live together now. So it's just so different, you know? It's just like a different time period now, and we get to decorate for Christmas together. Like we're actually like living our lives together and creating a life together. So this is just gonna be a really special year for decorating for Christmas. I don't know if you guys ever feel that way, or if you've like moved recently in with your boyfriend or girlfriend. So guys, I had a feeling I was gonna find the frames today, and I did. I found sets of 3 portrait frames, which is perfect because I wanted 6, and they're sized 16 by 20, and the picture frame is, or the picture size is 8 by 10, and they're only $39.99 each. But I'm so excited. I manifested this shit. So this year me and Christian got a flocked tree, so it's gonna look like this, but obviously like an actual tree. But this is so cute too, from like a table or counter. Okay, I'm totally gonna get inspiration from these two for how I would want to decorate the tree. I think instead of pink, I would do like more of like a like gold like that. But I think those are really pretty. I really like the pine cones too, and like the white. Sometimes you can find pampas grass here. stopped by Wegmans to get some groceries for dinner tonight. I want to make a salad with some roasted salmon. So I got some salmon slices, and then I got oat milk because we don't have any more. I got a cucumber for the salad. I got like a salad mix, and then I also got spinach to throw in there, and also for smoothies that I have every morning. And then I got an avocado for the salad. I also got some of these tomatoes to put in the salad, and I just got some lemons to have for my waters in the morning. And then I kind of blacked out when I bought all of this stuff, but I really wanted to get new nail polish for like fall winter time. So I got Essie's Expressi. It's a quick dry nail polish, and this is in the shade Buns Up. I'm not sure what I want to do on my toes and on my fingers yet. And then this one is the same, like Expressi quick dry nail color, and this is in the shade Notifications On. It's like a really pretty berry color. And then I also got new lip products. I just wanted to try these Revlon lip products out because I saw a blogger that I follow use this lip gloss. So this is the Revlon Ultra HD Vinyl Lip Polish. It's a high shine hot brilliance lip gloss, and this is in the shade Date Night. So it just looks like this. It's a really pretty mauve color, and it just is gonna be like super glossy. So I actually want to like try it out right now. Why not? It looks a little dark. I don't know why I said but I like the feeling of it. It is dark. I was expecting it to be a lot lighter, but I guess that's like the shade. Okay. So this is what the lip color looks like. My camera is acting so weird right now. And then I got this lip liner in the color Raisin. It's just like a really dark one, but I don't have like a dark berry lip liner, and I can use it to like line this. All right, so here are the frames. I carried them up in one trip, which literally was kind of hard, but I did it. So I'm gonna lay them out along the hallway just to like measure out like how far apart they're gonna be. So I'm gonna do that, but I'm gonna preheat the oven because I want to make my salmon. I'm so tired. Okay, so 6 is literally perfect. Obviously it looks weird right now because they're on the ground, but they're gonna be hung probably like to about here. But yeah, gotta figure out what kind of pictures I want to print out. All right, so I don't know if you guys can notice, but I actually just switched out the lights in the hallway. They were this really ugly yellow color. I had these light bulbs from my parents' house. They are just like white lights. So I feel like it looks so much better versus like the yellow. I don't even know if you guys could tell, but every time I would like flip it this way, the background would be so yellow in this hallway. And it's actually the same lights, I'm pretty sure, that are in the bathroom. Those ones are like in person, they're really yellow too. So I might switch these ones out. See, like you can kind of tell like in the lighting here, like it's yellow toned. But once you go out here, it's nice and white. right, here is my dinner. It looks so good. I did like a homemade dressing of just like olive oil, red wine, vinegar, Dijon, pepper, garlic, a little bit of salt, and then I cut up some cucumber, avocado, tomato. There's some carrot shreds in here. I did some red onion. So this is gonna be my dinner and I'm so excited to eat it. I am watching Parent Trap right now. I haven't watched it in such a long time. It's literally such a classic. So yeah, that's all I'm doing tonight. Christian's probably gonna be home probably soon, I wanna say. So actually, he probably will be able to eat dinner kind of with me, maybe like in the middle of me eating dinner. Oh, I just got these from the grocery store, raspberry lime seltzers. Yum. Okay, gonna eat this.